severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Manatee, west central DeSoto and eastern Sarasota counties. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Arcadia, moving north at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Manatee, west central DeSoto and eastern Sarasota counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida,